ChatGPT just changed everything. You can now run full apps inside the chat. Book trips, make playlists, design stuff, all without leaving ChatGPT. And if you own a business or build apps, you need to pay attention right now. So here's what happened. October 6th, Sam Altman takes the stage at Dev Day, and he drops a bomb. ChatGPT now has apps, real apps running inside the chat. Not links, not extensions, full working apps. And get this, ChatGPT has 800 million weekly users. That's people using it every single week. And now every single one of those users can access apps directly in their chats. Let me break down what this actually means for you. What are ChatGPT apps? They're real apps that work inside your ChatGPT conversation. You can use them just by typing their name. You type Spotify, make a playlist for My Party Friday, and boom, Spotify opens right there in the chat. You don't leave ChatGPT, you don't open a new tab. The app just appears. And it knows what you're talking about. It uses the context from your conversation. Here's another example. You're planning a trip. ChatGPT might say, "Want me to check Expedia for flights?" You say yes, and Expedia pops up right there with real flight prices, real booking options. You can book the whole trip without leaving ChatGPT. Same thing with Zillow for finding houses, Canva for making designs, Coursera for taking classes. All of it happens in the chat. Now here's where it gets really interesting. OpenAI released something called the Apps SDK. That means any developer can build apps for ChatGPT. Not just big companies, anyone. This is huge because right now we only have 7 partner apps: Spotify, Canva, Zillow, Expedia, Booking, Coursera, and Figma. But later this year, OpenAI will open submissions. Any developer can submit their app, and if it passes review, it goes live for 800 million users. That's like the App Store launch all over again, but for AI. Let me talk about what this means for businesses. If you own a business, you need to pay attention because this changes how people discover services. Right now, people find apps by searching in the App Store, or they see ads. But with ChatGPT apps, discovery is different. People find apps in conversation. Let's say someone asks ChatGPT, "How do I learn Python?" ChatGPT might suggest Coursera right there, in the moment when they're ready to learn. That's a hot lead, not just scrolling past an ad. This is conversational commerce. And it's the future. And speaking of the future, let me tell you about the AI Profit Boardroom. That's our community for scaling businesses with AI. We have 1,000 members now, all saving hundreds of hours, getting more customers, automating their work. If you want to stay ahead and scale your business with AI, that's where you need to be. Link is in the description. Now let me show you how this works. The Apps SDK is built on something called the Model Context Protocol. It lets ChatGPT connect to other apps safely. It can read data, trigger actions, and show you interactive stuff, all while keeping your data secure. Here's something that blew my mind. These apps have different viewing modes: inline mode, picture-in-picture mode, and full screen mode. You choose which mode you want depending on what you're doing. Let me give you a real example from the Dev Day demo. Someone asked ChatGPT to make posters for a dog walking business using Canva. In 2 minutes, Canva generated 4 different poster designs. Right in the chat. The person could see them, pick one, ask for changes, all without leaving ChatGPT. That's the power of this. You go from idea to finished product in minutes. Now here's where it gets even better. OpenAI announced they'll support monetization. Developers can charge for their apps through instant checkout in ChatGPT. So imagine this. You're using a premium app. You want to buy it. You just say, "Buy this," and it charges you right there. No leaving ChatGPT. No entering payment info. This opens up a whole new economy. Developers can build apps, get them in front of 800 million users, and make money, all inside ChatGPT. Let me tell you who's already building on this. The launch partners are massive companies: Booking.com, Expedia, Spotify, Zillow, Canva, Coursera, Figma. These are billion-dollar companies. But here's what's coming next. OpenAI announced 11 more partners launching later this year: DoorDash, Instacart, Uber, AllTrails, OpenTable, Target, Peloton, and more. Imagine ordering food through DoorDash in ChatGPT just by saying, "Order me a pizza," or booking a ride with Uber, all in the chat. That's where we're heading. Now, I want to talk about what this means for you. If you're a developer, this is your moment. You can build apps for 800 million users. That's an audience bigger than almost any platform. And it's just starting. Early apps will have a massive advantage because there's no competition yet. If you move fast, you could be one of the first apps people discover. The Apps SDK is available now. You can start building today. If you're a business owner, pay attention. Your customers are on ChatGPT, 800 million of them, every week, and they're about to start discovering services through conversation. So ask yourself, how can your business show up in those conversations? Can you build an app? Can you optimize your content so ChatGPT mentions you? This is like SEO all over again, but for AI, and the early movers will win. Here's the thing. This ChatGPT Apps update isn't just a cool new feature. It's a platform shift, just like when the iPhone got the App Store. These moments create massive opportunities, but only for people who move fast. Right now, there are 7 apps on ChatGPT. Soon, there will be hundreds, then thousands. The people who build apps early will have the biggest advantage. But even if you're not a developer, you can still win. You can use these apps to save time, to get more done. You can learn how to optimize your content so ChatGPT recommends your services. The question is, will you? Because most people will watch this video, think it's cool, and do nothing. But you're different. You're watching this right now, which means you care about staying ahead. So here's what you need to do. First, go try the apps yourself. Open ChatGPT, type Spotify, or Canva. See how it works. Because once you see it, you'll understand why this is so big. Second, start thinking about how this applies to your business. How could your customers discover you through ChatGPT? Third, join the AI Money Lab because we're documenting all of this. We're testing everything. We're sharing what works. Inside the AI Money Lab, you'll get 50+ free AI tools and 200+ ChatGPT SEO prompts. You'll learn how to make money with AI agents, get access to 1,000+ free N8N workflows, and a full blueprint to generate thousands of leads free with AI. You'll also get a free AI community, a free AI course, and proven AI case studies. Everything you need to stay ahead. Link is in the description. This ChatGPT Apps update is one of the biggest things I've seen. This is a platform shift, and platform shifts create millionaires. The question is, will you be one of them? The opportunity is here, right now. Today, the Apps SDK is available. You can start building. You can start learning. You can start positioning yourself to win. Or you can wait and watch other people do it. The choice is yours. So that's the ChatGPT Apps SDK update. It's massive, it's revolutionary, and it's available right now. Try the apps. Learn how they work. Start building if you can. OpenAI is moving fast. New updates every month, new capabilities every week. And I'll be here breaking it all down for you. What do you think about ChatGPT apps? Are you going to build one? Let me know. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.